I've been an insurance lawyer for about 10 years in the US, and so just wanted to further my field and broaden my opportunities, really. Oh, I've always loved England. I love the history of England. I've always loved history, so I've always wanted to come to London and experience the history that it has to offer. And it's for someone from the US, it's a great location to travel other places into Europe and things like that. I love the campus. The course content has been really interesting as well. I like that it's close to London, but not as busy as London. Being a mature student as I am, I'm not really into busy nightlife, things like that. So the fact that it's a little removed from London, it has been great. Tying London into the course has been really amazing as well, because we've got to experience things like being close to the Supreme Court. There's been a lot of opportunity for guest speakers and to go visit courts and sit in on hearings. Networking really is important. I'm really bad at it, but it really is very important and useful for furthering a career as a lawyer. We've been invited to various meetings and we've had guest speakers, and so yeah, there have been opportunities. I plan on taking the SQE exam and getting qualified as a solicitor, and hopefully staying in or around London, definitely in the UK, is something that I really want to do. It's been a great experience. I feel like it's been informative as someone who has been a lawyer for quite a while. You realize there's still things you don't know and areas of the law that you haven't experienced yet or had an opportunity to work in. It's kind of opened those doors as well.
So I'm Michael Pugh. I'm the course lead for the LLM in International Business Law. I was a partner at Hogan Lovells, and I worked in London and Moscow, where I spent 8.5 years working on different transactions. I build employability very much into everything I do. So I want to get to know every student on the LLM and make sure that we give them what they want during their course. We make them work on the course, but we give them a huge level of support to enable them to realise their potential. And that includes offering free coaching in English language, spoken and written, by our support team. And we have a really good team of academics teaching international trade law, international competition law. I teach international arbitration, and I also act as an expert witness in arbitration, so I can talk about the real life experience of arbitration. We're really just on the edge of the biggest centre for English law in the entire world, and that means that we really encourage students to make the most of the huge number of careers events and events on subjects of international commercial law that are taking place on a daily basis in the City of London. Students, having been on the course, have plenty of opportunity to meet practicing lawyers and to find out about all sorts of specialised areas of law. One of the really key attractions is the campus. It's on 35 acres of beautiful green grounds. The architecture is beautiful, there are nice coffee shops, there's a good refectory. There are lots of student societies where students can meet friends and learn a new skill. And there are nice sports facilities. We've got a really helpful library and fantastic library staff who will take students right back to basics, going through searchable databases such as Oxford Law Trove, Hein Online, Lexis and Westlaw to help them find articles on their subjects of research.